So there are three drivers that drive toward connection: collaboration, inclusion, and rapport, and one that drives away from connection. High autonomy people want to be free from social obligations. They are driven to be independent and they don't want their work to be contingent or dependent on others. At their best, high scorers will enjoy the freedom and independence that comes from ambiguity. They won't need others to define structure for them. They won't need or want others to help them. They'll just be able to go, take their own work, and deliver it independently. At their worst, however, this can put them at risk of going rogue. It may not even be an intentional going rogue. Highly autonomous people may simply overlook the ways in which their work is connected to others. So they will go and do something independently, perhaps without bringing others along, and fail to see how that could be misperceived as going rogue. They may also have such a strong drive to be independent that they resist people giving them help or guidance. They may also forget to ask for or even reject help when it's offered. Low scorers, on the other hand, hate feeling like they are on an island. They can certainly be independent thinkers and decision makers, they just tend to ensure that what they're doing isn't too independent. So at their best, low scorers will be attentive to the group's needs and will make their needs explicit to others. They will look for how people's goals and efforts are interconnected and will work to ensure that others understand these connections too. In other words, they are driven to ensure that things aren't getting too autonomous or disconnected. At their worst, however, this can cause leaders especially to be skeptical of or even discourage independent work. They may assume that when individuals pursue what they perceive to be independent goals, that is an inherently bad thing. This can lead to micromanagement for low autonomy leaders. For individuals who are less assertive, low autonomy may manifest as being overly dependent on others. They may be a bit needy, too often seeking clarity, support, and/or structure from those around them.